At the top of my page, I have a standard WordPress menu with 5 items, but I want it to look different when I go to the mobile. When I go to the mobile view and I click the drop down, look at my cart and checkout button. They've now got background colors, different styling, and they are side by side. Imagine you've got quite a big detailed menu and maybe you want to save space or you want to rearrange how it appears or looks. With a neat bit of code, I'm going to show you how to do this. The first thing you got to do is go over to Appearance and Menus, and you actually have to enable classes for your menu. And a lot of you may still not know that you can actually do this. So for all of you right now, inside of WordPress, go over to Appearance and then your menu, go over to where it has screen options at the top, and you will have an option called CSS classes. I don't quite understand why they never made that as a default or make it easier for you to see it on WordPress. So WordPress core people, if you're hearing me here right now, please make it easier for people to know that that is available for them. And once you enable that and you go to any of your menu items, you now have CSS classes. You don't have to use them. But what that means is that you can assign classes to your different menu items and apply completely different styling to what your standard menu items are. So for my cart and checkout, I've called them menu_button. We go to checkout and you'll see menu_button. And then inside of the WordPress menu widget, I went and added in this CSS. I'm going to clear it out just so that you can now see that the cart and checkout are now below one another. You add it back in and they go side by side and we've applied some styling. And that's not all. When you hover over it, you get a completely different color as well. If you're not bothered by the styling, you can completely get rid of the top half of the code and just use the bottom. This is the bit that's important to enable them to sit side by side, and it is touching the menu button over there. But if you quite like the styling, which I think is quite cool, why not add it in, especially with the hover color change effect as well. You've got that there for you. The code for this is in the video description. This is for those that just want to do something a little bit different with their drop-down menu. Remember, this is not a mega menu. This is your standard WordPress menu, and we're utilizing the CSS classes. Hey, I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll keep seeing you.